औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास 10 स्टूडेंट्स और बॉयज़ हाई स्कूल बदरहर आज एक बार फिर अपना सब्जेक्ट यानी साइंस पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप सब बच्चों को मालूम है कि जो हमारा चैप्टर आजकल चल रहा है वो है चैप्टर नंबर 3 इन केमिस्ट्री and the name of the chapter is metals and non-metals. Today our topic is reactivity series of metals. As you all know that we went through the topics, that is physical properties of the metals and chemical properties of the metals. Now there is a reactivity series of metals. How do metals react and what is the nature of reactivity of these metals? There is a comparison between the two types of metals, how they react, and in order to see the type of the reactivity which is more reactive and which is less reactive, there is a topic that is a reactivity series of metals. We know that the vigor of the reactions of metals with oxygen, water and acids show different reactivity. Some metals showed quick reaction with oxygen, water and acids, while as others show a weak reaction which are then displaced by the more reactive metals. The reactivity can be compared by displacement reactions. When we see the displacement reaction of the metals, we see how they react, how metals react, which metal is displaced in the displacement reaction. We see the reactivity nature of the metals. For example, both magnesium and zinc can displace hydrogen from their dilute acids. Both hydrogen as well as zinc displace hydrogen from their dilute acids, like Mg plus 2 times HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2 magnesium chloride. Likewise, Zn and zinc plus 2 times HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Zinc when combines with HCl it gives zinc chloride, and magnesium when react with hydrochloric acid HCl it gives magnesium chloride. That is, both the metals react with the HCl and form the magnesium chloride and zinc chloride. But magnesium can displace zinc from its salt solution. When we see the salt solution of zinc and try to see the reactivity of the magnesium, we see magnesium metal displaces zinc from its salt solution. Thus, magnesium is more reactive than zinc. In order to see the reactivity of the metals, there is a need of the reactivity series of the metals, in which we find more reactive metals, decreasing reactivity nature, and the least reactive metals. We can see here potassium K is the most reactive metal. After this, sodium is less reactive as compared to potassium, and after that calcium, after that magnesium is less reactive, after that aluminium Al is less reactive, after that zinc less reactive, after that iron which is less reactive, after that tin, lead and hydrogen being a non-metal, copper least reactive, silver least reactive and gold least reactive metals. So the metals in this way form a series known as the reactivity series of the metals. Hope you have got the topic very well. Thanks.